Services are the standardized list of what you offer clients. Each service has its own scope, price, and terms, and can be customized to meet each client's needs. You can use services to create proposals, to bill for ad hoc work using our Instant Bill feature, and to bundle frequently used services together to create a proposal template. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding services in the services library, walk you through the steps of importing services from your Xero or QuickBooks account, and show you how to add services on the fly when creating a proposal. Let's start in the service library, found on the left sidebar menu. First, you'll notice that your Ignition account comes with demo services that you can use as is, modify, or delete if it isn't relevant. You can delete services in bulk by selecting multiple checkboxes and clicking the Delete button. Now let's create a new service together. First, click New Service at the top right of the page and start by giving the service a name. For this example, we'll create a financial planning service. You can add your own description, but in this example, I'll use Ignition's AI tool to generate a description for me. To do this, simply click Suggest Description to start the magic. Once the result is generated, you can either regenerate the description to get a different result, refine it a little more, or use the suggested description. Once you've chosen to use the description, you can adjust if required and then set your price type, either fixed price, unit-based, minimum price, price range, or have it included at no charge. Set the price for the service, confirm the tax rate, and then select the default billing mode, either automatic or manual. Please note that only fixed price services can be billed automatically. Manual billing requires you to confirm the price in Ignition prior to billing. If applicable, add any additional terms relevant to this service. These terms will then be added to the terms of the proposal when this service is selected. Keep in mind that these are just the defaults for this service, and you can still adjust the price and billing mode after you've added a service to a proposal. If you've connected your accounting software, you'll notice you have an Apps tab available at the top where you can adjust the sales account the service links to. In this example, I'll leave it as my default sales account. Once you're happy with everything, click Save. The next method to add services is by importing them from your accounting software. For this example, we'll use Xero. Click the Import button at the top of the Services tab and select Xero. Select the services you'd like to add and press Import. You'll then get a notification the services have been imported successfully. You can click the link to review the details of imported services and make any adjustments if required. You can also use the Import button to download a CSV file that you can populate with your service details in bulk and then import back into Ignition. If you need to edit, duplicate, or delete a service in the future, click the three dots to the right of the service and select the applicable action. Finally, you can add services in the Services step of the Proposal Builder. This is helpful if you want to quickly create a proposal before building out your services library in full, or if you want to add a new service without closing the proposal. To do this, simply type in the name of the service to confirm it doesn't already exist, and then click Create a Service. Complete the fields as shown earlier in this video, and then click Save to add to both your proposal and your service library. Thanks for joining us to learn about adding services. If you have any questions, you can access our education resources and chat to our friendly support team by clicking on the Ignition logo at the bottom right of screen.